Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to MOG update today, and MOG has been on fire. Previously we saw MOG actually taking off and moving to the upside. It's meme coins era, and meme coins are moving so much. So even if you go up and down, meme coins are really volatile, and that's what I like about crypto. Of course, it's going to be bad when you're in a trade and then you're losing money because the coin is going down all of a sudden when you entered. But here I am, and I'm trying to do TA, an honest TA, to save you money or maybe potentially help you get a trade. And speaking of helping you getting a trade, I have an idea, and I'm helping a lot of traders to save time by looking at different patterns just for you. Now, previously I posted, Pepe chart pattern, and trust me when I say this, you do want to come and join Discord and go to Trade Ideas, because I will be sharing ideas that you can trade if you are a trader and you can make money out of it. Now, for example, Pepe had a rising wedge and it's actually falling down, and it came down to this target. Okay, just go and watch Pepe. It's actually PEI. So just go and watch it, because it actually came down to that technical target. Now, not only that, but I've actually given a Bitcoin idea, and Bitcoin actually started going to the downside. Not only that, but I have also given an idea of MOG. So if I go back into the MOG, and I'm actually going to show this to the people, I said, this is another pattern similar to Pepe, and it has a 46% drop pending. So if you like this, if you drop a heart, I'm gonna give you the name. So of course this is actually MOG. Okay, it's MOG. So MOG and Pepe have similar, very similar patterns. But here's the thing, yes, you're going down, but that's an opportunity for someone who knows how to trade to make money. Okay, it's a rising wedge, a bearish pattern, and if you cannot earn through a pump, well, if it's going down, you can even earn on the other way around. So why stress out for no reason? And the thing is, if you want to be a part of that Discord, comment Discord in this video, and I'm going to give you the invitation link for absolutely free of cost. Okay, it doesn't take a dime, and you can get benefit off from my hard work with this one. So I'm going to keep it very simple with MOG. You have the rising wedge coming in, and you have broken to the downside. It's simple and clear that the technical target you're looking for is down right over here. So we're trading at 13,000. I'm just going to say this is 13,000, and the technical target is going to be 75.55. Okay, so maybe up to 7,500 if we round off the number, and that's going to be a 42% drop to the downside. So 42% is a $420 opportunity if you're trading with $1,000. Okay, so that's all for the video on MOG. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.